Mālō I lau malie a ho eki moe lele ai tonga katoa pe o ku mo mea mai I he pongpongini. Welcome to day 2 of our Pukepuke o Tonga challenge, ko koe moao. Koe ka venga o ta uni, koe whakakoloa o Aotearoa aki ai ako lele. Enriching Aotearoa with holistic education. Our second task for Tongan Language Week is to help protect our environment. Tokoni ke maluʻi hotau ʻātakaí. For your tasks today, we have added some images of ways that you can help protect our environment. We would like you to send through a video of what you do with your family at home to protect our environment.
Whakamaapi. Toe whakaaongai. Hua ngowe, tō ngowe.
For example,
Tuwhi veve.
once you've recorded yourself, send through your videos to our social media platforms with your first name only, age, and the village you come from in Tonga. Thank you so much for sending through all your videos yesterday. You guys did such an awesome job and we can't wait to see what you come up with next. Ofa ke mo ma'u hawike lea whakatonga fia fia. Pukepuke o Tonga, ko koe moao.